Hi everyone, thank you for watching my little life. In this channel, I'm introducing deep insight of Japanese food and how to eat them in European style. In this video, it's about rice, which is our staple. I'm going to show how I usually cook Japanese rice, and you will learn what's in Japanese rice, how to steam rice. All small tips makes huge difference for you. Frozen to keep and cook another dishes when you want. Let's get started. What is Japanese rice? It looks like this. It's large and round grain, and it's contain high sugar level and very sticky. Also, it's contain more moisture because it's made in paddy field. That is why we have to cook differently from other rices. For cooking rice properly, you need right tool. This time I use this clay pot. It's under 10 pounds in Asian cash and carry, and I really recommend to use this if you got chance to do. But any other pot will work, as I will show you later on the video. In Japan, everyone uses rice cooker, so I've learned about pot recently, but now I love this. The thing is, rice cooker is extremely important thing for Japanese people. Look at this website. It's Japanese electric shop website and introducing 1,200 different types of rice cooker. All those Japanese rice cooker has got very much high-tech functions. But one of the traditional function we love is keep rice warm and ready to eat for at least half a day or 1 day. Even your fridge is empty, you got always rice ready to be eaten. I used to have rice cooker, which I bought in London, but pot can do the same job and washing is actually much quicker and easier. So here, I'm going to give you all the important tips for cooking Japanese rice. Firstly, prepare 180 ml rice. This is 1 rice cup of rice. If you have proper rice cup, look like this. This will be just right amount for 2 bowls of rice. 1 cup is minimum amount, and if it's less than this, it doesn't work. Then wash rice to clean up extra brown and dirt. Pour water into pot and mix it gently. If you do it too strong, you will break the grain and lose the shape when it's done, so please be careful. Keep changing the water until drained water gets transparent. Usually, you need to change 3 to 5 times. Use filtered water, especially for the first wash, because water absorbs into the rice. After first wash, you might just use running tap water. To me, and definitely for all the Japanese people, this process is just must, unless you buy things called pre-washed rice. It's used to be one of the typical kids' job to help out parents. If you do this properly, each rice grain gets shiny and stand out properly. After the wash, add same amount of the water as rice. For cooking Japanese rice, amount of the rice and amount of the water is always equal. You may put a little bit extra water in case it's evaporated. For cooking, put onto the hob and heat up till it's nearly boiled. then turn it down for smallest heat. Controlling the flame is one of the most difficult parts of rice cooking. If you can keep hearing tiny boiling noise, this is the right level of the flame. This is the right cooking noise. Listen it. Usually it takes 30 to 45 minutes, depends on the type of rice, also type of the pan you are using. When it's getting ready, it starts smells really nice rice smell. This is a typical and one of the most exciting smell for the Japanese people, I think. And then after, it starts smell like burnt a little bit. Then it's a time to turn heat off. At this stage, I checked if inside of the rice is properly cooked, because once you stopped, you cannot reheat it and cook it again. After you take it down from the hob, please always leave extra 10 minutes as it is to steam rice itself in the pan. This is definitely the most important thing of cooking Japanese rice properly. Steaming improves the taste and texture itself, but also if you're trying to turn it too early, rice shape will break and it will stick onto the pan like this and make a lot of mess. After 10 minutes, start stirring rice. Wet your spatula to avoid rice stick around everywhere, because rice is very sticky. When you do this, please be careful not to put too much water into your rice. Here I just quickly show you how it works with larger ordinary pan. I use this pan for making a 6-portion freeze rices for a week. Rice come out actually better when you do more portion, like 3 cups. When rice get cooled down, wrap rice with cling film per portion. When you leave it too long, like several hours, it gets difficult to make a shape. So as soon as it gets cooled down enough, better to start making a shape. Here, I got my rice for a week. To eat, defrost by microwave. To just defrost and cook another meal, do 2 to 3 minutes by 300 watt. And if you just want to eat it straight away, use 500 watt for again 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Frozen rice is not as good as the rice just made. So often, I cook into the another dishes using lots of frozen rice. So in next video, I'm gonna show you how to cook fried rice from frozen rice in 5 minutes. Thank you very much for your watching. If you liked this video, please check my another video and also comment about your question, suggestion for the Japanese food and related culture. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video and have a good day.